Welcome to Atomy 7. In this video, we are going to talk about Atomy. But before we start, we encourage you to subscribe to this channel. For this is a place where you will be exposed to absolute products and services that will benefit your life. Let's begin with our topic for today. What is Atomy? Atomy is a multi-level marketing company that offers free lifetime membership with zero obligation. Also, it has a free global online website for its members. Atomy distributes supplements, vitamins, cosmetics, personal care, and household products around the world. This company offers absolute products at absolute price. Click on the description box for the website links to view more products. Please contact the person who gave this video to you. You can also contact us at preciousatomy@gmail.com. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and ring the notification bell. Thank you for your time and God bless.